1994 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 extended cab 4x4. Clean Carfax. It's actually a two-owner truck. This truck was with the original owner up until 2025. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Actual mile truck. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note that the AC may need to be charged. Compressor will kick on and off, but was not blowing cold. As we get a good look at the front grille, bumper, headlight bezels. I believe 94 would have been Victory Red. Has the garnet cloth interior bucket seats. Check out all the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the Chevy wheels, radial tires. Plenty of tread left on those. The technician did note they're starting to show their age a little bit. So we take a look down this passenger side. Solid truck around the wheel wells, lower rockers, actually North Dakota truck, and we see vehicles out of there, and typically very solid vehicles. Not necessarily like the ones that you see in the Rust Belt. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. You're gonna have some imperfections here or there. The truck's driven, has been used, but I tell you what, with what the new ones cost these days, some of these little older ones, pretty good value. There's a good look at the bucket seats. And I'll get around to the driver's side. I want to show you the true color of that interior. Sometimes if I get right on top of it with the video or the pictures, it wants to wash out certain colors, and that's one of them. We'll get to the driver's side. I'll show you a little more of what I'm talking about there. Does have a tonneau cover, roll-up tonneau cover on it, bed mat, rubber bed mat in the bed of it. You can see it's missing that rub strip on the rear bumper. A little over 100,000 miles on this one, and we'll show you the exact miles soon when we get to the interior, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. We look up and down the driver's side here also. A little scratch on the rear side of the bed. Otherwise, again, those lower rockers around the wheel wells, all looking good. If you like Chevy trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Appreciate everybody that has subscribed to our YouTube channel. Over 100,000 followers. Would have never believed that when we started doing these videos and selling cars quite a few years ago now. All right, Silverado is going to have your power windows, power locks, of course, tilt column, cruise control, these bucket seats. All right, now I mentioned right there, that is the color of the garnet interior. So it is kind of a deeper wine color, if you will. Now, when I was talking about washing it out, so if I come right up on top of that, it washes it out. It is not that light. I'll do it one more time for you. Right there it is. That is the true color of the interior. And as you can see, seating surfaces, nice shape. There you can see how it washes it out too, fades it out. Come back. There it is. Just so you're aware of that. There's exact miles, 100,938. Again, clean Carfax, actual mile vehicle. It's fired up. All right, top of the dash, looking good. I've not played around with this stereo at all, so let's check this out. Turn it on, so let's see. Yep, working fine.
Days up, that broken
cassette player and equalizer there. Manual transfer case. Electric brake already installed. And gauges. So oil pressure's up. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Battery gauge looking good, as well as fuel. Tack's working. Headliner has been tacked up. With a couple tacks anyway. Running boards already installed for you. And let's listen to this again. 5.7 liter 350 V8. Sounds like a stock 1994 Silverado half ton to me. Good sounding truck. All right, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this real quick. Get that hood open. You can see the paint on the hood's in nice shape too. A lot of life left in this truck. All right, let me get the hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. All right, hood open. And real quick, a few notes from the technician on this one too. New battery. I mentioned the AC compressor works, but it may need to be recharged while cold. It brakes straight. Brakes are 45% in the front, 90% in the rear. It does have a newer Y-pipe, catalytic converter, and muffler. And he did mention just some minor seeps. And I mentioned the tires starting to show their age a little bit, but plenty of tread left on them. There it is. 5.7. Power steering, power brakes. AC. Looks like a newer but die-hard. There you can see that that is indeed a new battery. It's a clean hood liner for a 94 pickup also. And it's running smooth, sounds good. Tried and true engine, no doubt about that. 1994 Chevrolet Silverado. Half-ton, extended cab, 4x4, clean Carfax. Same owner up until 2025. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Chevrolet Silverado. This is an extended cab. Nice tonneau cover on the bed. One of America's probably most dependable trucks they ever built, in my opinion. Turn signal indicator's working. This one with that classic burgundy interior. A little bit of a pattern on the cloth. Bucket seats, very comfortable. The perfect ergonomic height and great visibility out of this truck. Just my opinions. Acceleration is good. Everything is as I'd expect from this truck so far. Now the temp gauge is just coming off a cold, but I do have heat flowing out the vents on a cool winter day in Minnesota. We do wash our vehicles, so we can do these driving videos even during the winter for you guys. Nice smooth running truck. The oil pressure a little over 40 as we're cruising along, just under 50 miles an hour currently. Yep, I can see the temperature gauge slowly coming up. The battery is charging a little less than 13 on the gauge. The fuel gauge is showing me over half of a tank. Stereo works good. Brakes are smooth. We've got the equalizer package down here for the stereo with push button and cassette. I have not tested cassette, but FM sounds great. You didn't know the trick. Just put that equalizer in a nice V shape. Lows are up, mids are down, highs are up. Sounds good. That's what I usually do. Center storage, cup holder. This truck's got everything you need. Check out all the pictures of this Silverado at uniqueclassiccars.com.